It is March 2025 and WhatsApp has been very busy with the latest updates in this month. If you do not have access to these new features I'm going to mention here, head to your Play Store and update your WhatsApp. The first one we are talking about is voice transcript. Voice transcript allows WhatsApp to actually translate your voice note into a text for you. So if you find yourself in a meeting or elsewhere that you cannot listen to your voice notes, WhatsApp will actually transcript your voice note for you so that you can read it, provided the language you choose is found in the system. In this case, international languages like English, French, Spanish are already in the system. Let me show you how. Head to your WhatsApp, click on this three dots up here, go to settings and go to chat. When you get to chat, enable voice message transcript. All right. So you said read your voice message with transcript, choose language, and then select the language you would like to hear in your transcript. You understand what I'm saying? Once the voice note comes, which language would you like to select? The English and set up now. Once the voice transcript database has been downloaded, go back to your chat and then select the message that you've received that you want WhatsApp to transcript for you. Long press on the message, come to this three dots up here and click on transcribe. Automatically, WhatsApp will transcript this message for you into a text. Voila, it's here. So you can actually read the voice notes in a text form. Update number 2. Update number 2 is a feature that actually allows you to add a music to any picture you're putting on your WhatsApp status. Recently, my sister called me and said, "Hey, Kwame, what happened? You've been posting pictures on your status, but in this case, you're adding music to it." Is that very easy? Go to your app as you're about to post a WhatsApp status. All right, select the plus icon and select the picture you would like to post on your status. In this case, I'm going to choose this. All right. Now, when you choose this, on this upper row here, you see the times that is to close the page. The next one you see is a music icon, the rotate icon, the sticker icon, the text icon, and the pen icon. What you do is to press on the music icon. All right. This will open a list of songs for you that you can choose from. So if you do not find the song you're looking for here, you go to search songs and then search for any song that you prefer. I just press here. This icon down here allows you to edit the music into a specific time frame. In this case, it's just 15 seconds, all right? So you have to target what up. So you push it forward, backward, until you get to the point where you want the song. For me, this is just the beginning of this song is what I want. I press on done, I write my caption, and then I post. And that again, automatically, this song is added to this picture that will be seen on my status for 15 seconds. Update number 3. Please like, share, and follow me for more so that we can grow this community. Watch out for part 2 for the 3rd, 4th, and the 5th update. See you.